Welcome to this healing breathwork meditation. In this session, we will use the power of your breath to calm your mind, relax your body, and restore inner balance. Find a comfortable seated position. You may sit on a chair, a cushion, or the floor. Keep your spine straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your hands resting gently on your knees or in your lap. If you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes. If you prefer, keep them softly focused on a point in front of you. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice its natural rhythm without changing anything. Simply observe as it flows in and out. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill completely. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing all tension. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any stress or worries. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Feel the cool air as it enters your nostrils, and the warmth as it leaves. Let this awareness anchor you in the present moment. Shift your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. As you inhale, imagine directing your breath to those areas, bringing warmth and ease. As you exhale, feel the tension melt away. Let's try a simple breathing pattern. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. Let's begin. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do this again. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel your body relax with each breath. Continue this pattern at your own pace. With each exhale, release any remaining tension or heaviness. Let it all drift away, leaving behind only calm and stillness. Now, let your breath return to its natural rhythm, simply be here, present with your breath and your body. Everything is as it should be in this moment. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you. This light carries healing, love, and peace. With every inhale, let it fill you. With every exhale, let it expand around you. Allow this light to soothe any areas of stress or emotion. Let it bring comfort and renewal. Remember, your breath is always here for you, an anchor of calm and transformation. Take a few more deep, soothing breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel the sense of peace within you. Carry this calmness with you into the rest of your day. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when it feels right, slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace with you. Thank you for joining this healing breathwork meditation. Remember, your breath is always with you, a source of calm and renewal. Have a peaceful day.